The Accident and Emergency Department at the Princess Margaret Hospital in St. Thomas has officially been reopened. The department was closed for more than a year to facilitate renovation and expansion works. These include the acquisition of surgical equipment and upgrading of the electrical system, the installation of an elevator, and additional beds. Speaking at the reopening ceremony recently, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said the project fits well with the development plans for St. Thomas.
But I have no doubt that the 120,000 or so citizens of this parish, the 40,000 or so, I'm told, who use different services here in a given year of one form or another, whether diagnostic, tests, or otherwise, will see this enhanced facility quite useful, and it will tap into the overall development of the parish.
The National Health Fund provided $217.5 million to offset the cost of the project. Chief Executive Officer of the National Health Fund, Everton Anderson, said the Accident and Emergency Department is critical to the parish.
St. Thomas, based on location, it is important that emergency services are at the highest possible level, because not through emergency to move from here into Kingston, time is lost. It is therefore essential that we are able to respond in rural communities to the urgent care needs and the emergency needs of the community.